Yeah, this video is about the Jordan 4 military black, but get ready because there's going to be some more details about the Shark Slide giveaway. I forgot to do this in the video. You bet!
You bet!
What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I had a good Saturday today. Today is May the 21st, right, Haley?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the 21st. Today. I was thinking it was the 20th.
Nope, it's
Do you know what?
what?
This is terrible to say, but I also think it's actually halfway great to say. I didn't know today was my 7-year wedding anniversary until I saw it on my Facebook memories. I think it's great because, like, that's just not important. Another year isn't terribly important, you know?
Mm-hmm.
It's just like, because it's just another day. And we get all the days and all the years, so.
I guess that makes sense.
I think we're going to celebrate, like, big at 10 years. Yeah. But we did give each other a great anniversary present this year. We gave it to each other.
Yeah.
But
a baby.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Anyways.
Let's
get back to it. Today's May the 21st. Today the Jordan 4 military black came out. And I told y'all, no, I didn't tell you. I told you on a video that I recorded yesterday, but you're not going to see it for probably a couple more days, that, man, there was some favor here. First, let me tell you about my sponsor, though, the sponsor that gives me this favor. Matthew chapter 27, verse 46, Jesus was on the cross, and he was looking up to God, and he says, my God, why have you forsaken me? Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us, and I trust that it's because Jesus died on the cross and was being forsaken by God at that time. And that's the reason why I have everlasting life, but also the reason why I have favor. Yesterday I was washing the dogs, and I told you the same story in a video you'll see in a week or so. But I was washing the dogs, and I was worried that the Foot Locker reservations, the Foot Locker raffles, were going to notify me on my phone, and I was going to miss it. So, I actually forgot about it. I was worried about it, but I forgot about it. And finally, I came in, I looked at my phone between dogs, and I had a W.
Ooh.
That was W number 1. I had the W. And that was Cumberland Mall. Got the W on my size, and not in the. No, they didn't even raffle the kid sizes.
Mm-mm.
They didn't. Huh. All right. Did you get the kid sizes though?
Yeah.
Which was not. She doesn't work at Cumberland.
I'm pretty sure.
Huh.
I feel like I remember.
Huh. All right. Maybe that tells me something. But I know people did get kid sizes. Maybe not around here, but I know people did get them. So, anyways, then after I washed the other dog, sitting watching TV, and my phone rings, and I normally don't even answer it, or answer it really not politely, let's say.
Hello.
When I don't recognize the number. And it was Finish Line. I won an in-store raffle at Finish Line. Who wins that? I don't think anybody wins those unless you know a person well enough to give them money to win those. That's just what it feels like, but obviously that's just what it has felt like, but obviously it's not the case because favor can do it for you too, which was also my size 11. Then this morning on sneakers, I think I had 9 accounts going, maybe more, but out of 9 accounts, hit 2 more men's 11s and 2 2Cs, one for Trent. One of them I just canceled because I didn't want more than one of those. But I did go ahead and pick up my shoes from Foot Locker and from Finish Line today. Tried to find a 6.5 still for the ladies, and wasn't able to. So, whatevs. Okay, I printed this receipt. I think it's in here. Need to hang on to those. Box. Spattered Flight Jumpman 4 box. Nice box.
Mm-hmm.
It is a pretty nice box. This isn't raised or anything. It kind of looks like it is, but it's not. But it does look good. I do like this box. It's spattered like all over, even on the bottom. No, not on the bottom, but all over the sides. Looks good. We got a Air Jordan 4 Retro white, black, neutral gray, no retail tag at all. Maybe they're laying on the floor at the mall.
Maybe.
Let's take a look at these. I've seen these a couple of times in hand. I only actually held them at memory lane when they were in plastic. So, and I didn't take too close of a look. So this is really my first close-up look at these.
God, I love those shoes.
She loves them. She loves them.
I like those more than the not Red Thunders.
That's just. It's just.
Mm.
It's just
Glue.
Glue. There's no.
It still
leather in
smells
here at
good.
all. But it's not what I or really anybody should want out of a shoe.
Yeah.
Just to smell like that. But
Yeah, I definitely like those more than those red and gray, the ones that are coming out later.
red and gray.
I mean, yeah.
Oh, the red glows.
Red glows, yeah.
All right.
I like those
that
more.
are like this, but
Yeah.
with red.
I love your green glows, but I think I like those more.
I don't know. Let's just stick this right here for a moment.
I just love fours. Gosh.
All right. So I would say that this white leather here that's got a nice tumble to it. It's not overly tumbled. It's not that soft either, which again isn't that bad. It's not that big of a deal. It's nice. This is not quite the leather quality of the, what's it called? The white Oreo. It's not quite the white leather quality. It's close, but not quite. This suede, this is a really low nap suede, I believe, and it's not as soft or as buttery as I would have expected on this shoe. It's really thick though. You see the crosscut on the very thick. So that's pretty cool. The rest of the leather's fairly thick too, but not double thick. So let's see. What about these?
Still the white ones.
What?
1000%.
Over the Union?
Yes. And my Union.
Okay.
I think it's just because they're white. I just really like white shoes. And they're fours. Like, come on.
Right, but those are fours too.
I know, but I'm saying this one just blows
the
out.
tongue
out the
leather
water.
on this, and the tongue, I like this tongue. This is a really nice tongue. I like the tongue tag. I mean, this is a similar tongue tag to most with the black junk man. And
wait, I just
underneath it.
realized.
What?
You said that those Jordan hoodies that they had at Foot Locker were for the Union Dunks, like the yellow
Because
one.
of the color. Yeah.
I know. I just realized that it's the same.
Yeah.
It's the same
All
tag.
fours.
I've never.
Did you know
paid
that this is
attention.
on the tag of the?
That's
of
what
the
I'm
Union?
saying.
Yeah, but it's
Of the Union?
Yeah, it's just folded over like this and sticking.
Oh my gosh!
And you
I
can
didn't
see
know
the
that.
letters right here
I did not know that.
sticking out. Yeah. All right, so I got 4 pairs, and Trent got a pair, so I am going to keep a pair. Miguel didn't hit on anything, so I'm gonna toss him a pair. Isaac hit on his 10.5, so I don't have to toss him a pair. But Miguel sends me all the oops, so I gotta oop him one too, right?
Right.
Not for free, Miguel, just in case anybody else is wondering or Miguel is getting excited. I mean, I already talked to him, but I'm gonna oop it to them. They're going for the like normal. Actually, not like normal. They were going for about $300 yesterday, and today they're going for like $320 the last time I looked. So that's less than 10% increase on game day, on release day, and I think 10% is about normal, and this is a little less than normal. But there were 80-something thousand pairs, I think, on what?
That's a lot.
Yeah, that's just on sneakers. So I was able to get 4 out of 80,000. The math really quick. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. But I think there was like 10,000 size 11s that I got 2 of on sneakers.
Jeez.
Let's see, white midsole, black, a little bit of black on the midsole as well. We see the brush marks. Yeah, you can kind of see the brush marks in the black, not really on the white. This looks good. I don't know why I like the bottom of this.
I like it too.
Yeah. So I'm gonna keep a pair of these. I did not keep my white Oreos. I got 1 pair of white Oreos on release day last year, and I didn't keep them. Sold those to a buddy for retail, but these I want to keep. I really wish this had Nike Air on the back.
Yeah, I think that would look better.
I mean, this just always looks better.
Yeah.
And maybe because there's just more to it, it fills up the space better.
Uh-huh.
I mean, there's a lot of talk. Why do people like this more? Is it because it's more exclusive? Because this is only put on OG colorways or
That's an OG
or collabs.
Oh.
Or something special. And this is just not a special shoe, and it's not OG. So there's nothing special as far as
Oh my gosh.
nothing special going on with it. You like it that much?
I really do.
Okay.
I really like that.
I do like it. So I am, like I said, I'm definitely going to keep a pair. I'm not crazy about it though. It's weird. So we've talked about this before, and hype, and how hype affects how hyped we are. That I am, at least when I open this.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you've been really excited about opening shoes before. Hesper's been pretty excited about opening a couple, and we know that I've had a lot of excitement opening shoes. The cool grays were one of my most exciting ones. But I think part of it though, like I like the shoe, but part of it comes with the exclusivity of it.
Yeah.
When it's really hard to get, or you get it really early, or maybe you just don't get many because you don't go for many and you finally hit on one for retail, it's so exciting.
Yeah.
And that has so much more to do with it. And then I hit on 4 of these and I'm just like, because when I got that first email, I was pretty excited last night. And now I'm just like, yeah, cool. Oh, we need to look at a couple more things here. We do get a satiny sock liner, which I'm not always a fan of.
I bet that'll be comfortable though.
Yeah, sometimes it's not so comfortable. Guess what?
I don't know.
What's it made out of?
Ortholite. I mean,
No.
polyurethane.
Polyurethane. This is the new polyurethane though. Dream Cell polyurethane. Yeah, this is not the best. When I felt it,
floppy.
When I felt it, yeah, that's right. It's basically a. You might as well put Ortholite in there. I think when you do this. No, I think Wear Testers has said, and I don't think I've worn one with these, a shoe with a Dream Cell yet, but I think he said at least, and I'll take his word for it, that this is a little more comfortable, lasts a little bit longer before it just bottoms out than Ortholite, but it is not good polyurethane.
Oh, that is something that happened to my Yeezys. I feel like my foot heat like melted the glue because both of the these, like I haven't taken them out. They just like come out every time I take my shoe out, my foot out of the shoe.
That's just when you wear shoes for a long time.
But
Yeezys aren't. I don't think they're glued down at all.
Oh, well, that would make sense.
Yeah. I don't think they're glued, and this isn't glued down at all. Ortholite normally is glued down 3/4 of the way, but not these. What is this? This is the old one. Yeah, this is.
What?
This is such an old shoe. I don't want to mess this. Not such an old. It's like 4 years old.
Still.
Did I not take these out in the video?
I don't think so.
Look, you can see the air, the light through the aerosol. Kind of crazy.
Oh.
Can you see it?
Like the whole dots?
Yeah, like you can see the dot. Yeah, you can see light coming through.
Yeah, it's good.
Now you can't. Now you can't. Now you can't. Now you can't.
Got it.
Anyways, this is polyurethane. This is much better polyurethane here. So I don't want to mess this up. When was the? I know I did this in the other one. When was the date on this one was? Oh dang, this is the old one. I forgot how old this is. This is from 2013.
I was gonna say that.
9 years old. This one. Let's just see when it was made, because everything's being pushed back. These were made December 1st to January 27th. So they've been sitting around for February, March, April, most of May, almost 4 months. So they didn't sit around too long. But yeah, it's a clean colorway, right?
Yes.
They're clean.
Oh yes.
And I would not say buttery, but
but beautiful.
Oh, you can see the light coming through on these too. See it right there? On that side?
Yeah, a little bit.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Yeah.
Okay. But that's the only place you can see it. Just right here. The other one you can see in other spots too. That's interesting. I've never looked at that before. All right, what else can I say about this? It's clean, right?
It's so beautiful.
But I apparently it's not as clean as the white Oreos. The white Oreos are cleaner because the white Oreos were and still are worth much more than these.
I don't care.
So you've seen the white Oreo.
Mm-hmm.
This is better?
Yeah. Okay. Actually, no. I think the white Oreo has just a little bit more white on it, and I like the white more.
Yes, it doesn't have all this black.
Yeah, which makes me like it a little bit.
It's gray.
I don't know if I like it more or not. They're both. I think they're tied.
Okay. They're
definitely tied.
I think I like this better. I think the white Oreo is too white for me because it almost looked like an Air Monarch, which is like the OG Nike dad shoe. No, it is. Like you grill with either jean or khaki shorts with like you're wearing 3 shirts and they're all tucked in. And then long white socks. That's the dad that wears the Nike Monarch. Yeah, not me.
Oh my gosh.
Like 3 shirts. Who said this? Somebody was talking about this recently. He wears 3 shirts tucked in so you can't see the sweat when he sweats.
That is so nasty. Something just fell on me and I thought it was a bug.
All right. So, got all the W's on this except for the ladies' W's. Hopefully I'll be able to get them one. If not, there's always next week. And I don't know what comes out next week. Oh, the Jordan 1. I did I recorded the video already on Miguel's shoe. Jordan 1 Heritage. It's the red, white, and black tie. But we're about to record a video of a shoe that we picked up last week. Just didn't get it until today because it's been sitting around. But was it last week or the week before we got this?
I don't know what it is.
I think it was last week. Yeah, because Peyton was here. I did it on her phone. We're about to record this video, and Haley's a little upset that she doesn't think she's getting these. She may not, but we'll record that video in just a minute, and hopefully she'll be excited about those. Thanks for being here. MVS, most valuable sub. I'm going to hang on to these, so actually it doesn't matter. If you want this shoe, just be the most valuable sub, and I'll buy you one of these shoes and ship it to your house. Most valuable sub. The way that I'm going to tell that you're the most valuable sub, how, Haley?
If you are watching through the videos,
Yep.
you're subscribed,
Yep.
you're liking the videos, commenting something pertinent,
Why commenting something pertinent?
because that way it shows that you are actually watching the video and you're
Yeah,
paying attention.
That's the only way that I know that you're watching the video is by the content of your comment.
Yes.
So keep it up, X. I'm just gonna call you X. X. He is my most valuable sub right now. So we got 200 subs to go till we get to 2,000. But you might as well go ahead and start thinking about it. And I'd say probably get there, and at the most in 3 months. Probably before then. So look at the September time frame. Look at the September release calendar. You can go ahead and pick something out. You can start.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. This video I'm going to publish tomorrow on Sunday, the day after this release, and sometime next week, Haley and I are going to record 2 different videos, a short and then an official video for what, Haley?
Atticus's shoe?
No.
I don't know.
We're doing that too. But no, we haven't recorded this video yet. We talked about it the other day, yesterday. We're going to do what? We're going to give away.
Give away a shark slide.
Give away a shark slide. This Haley shark slide video has 6,000 views in 9 days. So we're gonna give away a shark slide, and all you gotta do is comment, like, subscribe, and go follow me on Instagram, and you'll be entered into that. We'll let that video run for a little bit, and actually I'm gonna go ahead and put this part. I'm gonna re-record this, put it right at the beginning of the video, so you'll have heard it right at the beginning. And thanks for being here. Smash the like button. Tell your grandma about the military force. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.